And it's Ken Kraetzer for Cam. That's Media and the Tri-State Engineering Expo. And we have a chance to visit with our friends from Manhattan College, the Jaspers. Have a chance to talk with Dr. Anirban, who is the Interim Dean of Engineering. And sir, great to see you. What was the conference like for you?
Great to see you. This was a wonderful opportunity for us to connect with students from middle school, high school, their parents, encourage them to study engineering. We talk to them about different branches of engineering, what the pathway is, and we have some exciting summer programs from high school students. So it was a great experience for us, yes.
Very good. Well, Manhattan is well known for its engineering program. You've got a new building over there.
That's right.
I visited last year. Tell us a little bit about the scope of engineering programs at Manhattan.
So we have a great School of Engineering that is going into its 130th year now, completed 130 years, and we have been producing excellent engineers. And we have undergraduate programs in chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, computer engineering, and mechanical engineering. In addition to those areas, we also have master's degrees in construction engineering, construction management, and environmental engineering. So we are very happy to have students from all over come and study, and then they go out and work, and we have a very large footprint in the New York and Tri-State area of Manhattan graduates who are now in very good positions in engineering firms around.
That's great. I see that your Manhattan grads are working on bridge projects. Tell us a little bit more about where your graduates are working, some of the projects they're contributing to.
All right, so our graduates are all over, really. We have graduates in public sector, in private sector. Some are working for large companies. Some have their own firms, small firms that they have themselves started as small business owners. We have any large project that you see, the Tappan Zee Bridge. We had over 50 Manhattan engineers that worked on the Tappan Zee Mario Cuomo Bridge. The new Gateway Tunnel that is just in the planning phase. We have engineers from our different companies that went to Manhattan College. They're working on it. The East Side Access Project, the Second Avenue Subway Project. All of these projects, the different power systems, Con Ed, we have a lot of engineers there. We have mechanical and computer engineers working in different chip manufacturing and electrical and computer programs, chemical engineering. Yeah, we have them all over.
That's great. You got some great new resources. I was at the opening of the new building last year. Tell us a little bit about the teaching resources that you have.
So we have wonderful teaching resources. We are a teaching-focused college in that we are a 4-year college that has master's degree. We do not have PhDs. All our classes are taught in small classrooms, between 20 and 30 students in a typical class. Most of our classes are taught by full-time faculty who are dedicated to the teaching part, and that's our priority, and that's what students appreciate. The industry appreciates the complete students that have a well-rounded education rooted in liberal arts and strong engineering.
And that's great. Tell us a little bit, what's a highlight for you teaching students at Manhattan College?
That's the most wonderful part of our job, because we get to teach the engineers of tomorrow. There's no greater pleasure as being an educator when a young man or a woman comes over and introduces themselves that they were in my class. Today I met a student who was in my first class that I started teaching more than 20 years ago, and she's now working for Westchester County. So that's what gives us pleasure when we make those connections, see how well they are doing, and that they are now continuing to be mentors to another generation of young engineers.
Absolutely. Dr. Anirban, great representative of Manhattan College, the Jaspers. Always enjoy my visits over there in Riverdale. Good to see you. This is Ken Kraetzer for Cam Media at the Tri-State Engineering Expo.